विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, लाइन अँड प्लेन एक्सरसाइज 6.1 मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. पहिल्या दोन व्हिडिओ मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पर्यंतचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. तर आता ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ये -2 3 4 b 1 1 2 and c 4 -1 0 are 3 points. Find the Cartesian equation of line AB and show that point A, B, C are collinear. At first, we want to find out the equation of Cartesian equation of line AB. For that, let A bar, B bar, C bar are position vectors of A, B, C respectively. Now, we want to find out, therefore, A, here is AB. The Cartesian equation is A, therefore A x1 y1 z1 is equal to A -2 3 4 and B x2 y2 z2 is equal to B112. Therefore, we know about the value of x1, y1, z1 is -2, 3, 4 and x2, y2, z2 is 1, 1, 2. Now, Cartesian equation of line AB is, here you know the formula, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 is the formula for this equation. We put the values of x1 and x2. Therefore, we get here is minus minus plus 2 upon 1 minus minus plus 2 is equal to y minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 is equal to z minus 4 upon 2 minus 4. Therefore, x plus 2 upon 3 equal to y minus 3 upon minus 2 is equal to z minus 4 upon minus 2. This is the Cartesian equation of line AB. Now we want to show that the points A, B, C are collinear. Let C lies on line AB. C lies on line AB. Therefore, put C x y z is equal to C 4 minus 1 0 in equation 1. We get here the ratio is same, therefore we put the value x is 4 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 upon minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 4 upon minus 2. Then we get the values 6 upon 3 equal to minus 4 upon minus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2. Hence, we get there is the values are same 2 to 2. That is the lambda is same. Therefore, C lies on line AB. Hence, we say that C lies on AB. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear points. Here, complete the question. Very simple question. At first, we draw the line AB Cartesian form and then C lies on this with the help of their points put in their values, we get their lambda is equal same. Therefore, we say that these 3 points are collinear. Now, we take the next example, example number 9. Example number 9 is show that the lines x plus 1 upon minus 10 is equal to y plus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon 1 and x plus 10 upon minus 1 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 3 y plus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 4 intersect each other find the coordinates of their points point of intersection For that, you know that two lines are intersect each other in one point. Then at first we want to show these two lines are intersecting each other. Therefore, we take given x plus 1 upon minus 10 is equal to y plus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon 1 is equal to lambda, and x plus 10 minus 1 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 4 is equal to mu. These are their equations are the parameters. Therefore, we take here now x is equal to minus 10 lambda minus 1, comma y is equal to minus lambda minus 3, and z is equal to lambda plus 4, and x is equal to minus mu minus 10, comma y is equal to minus 3 mu minus 1, and z is equal to 4 mu plus 1. These equations are get from these two lines. Therefore, now if the lines are intersect, then we say that their points are here. These are the equations from these lines. Now we put these values in equation for finding the value of lambda. Therefore, this implies minus 10 lambda minus mu is equal to minus mu minus 10, implies there is 10 lambda minus mu equal to 9. This is equation number first. And from next line minus lambda minus 3 is equal to minus 3 mu minus 1 implies here is lambda then minus 3 mu is equal to here is minus 1 is another side, therefore we get minus 2. This is equation number 2. And after all, we take the last equation x plus 4, sorry, lambda plus 4 is equal to 4 mu plus 1 implies, therefore, here is minus lambda. Or we take here lambda minus 4 mu. Lambda minus 4 mu equal to minus 3. This is equation number 3. After solving equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, we get here we subtract equation anyone from this second and third. Let here is subtraction. We get here lambda lambda get cancelled. Then plus 4 mu minus 3 mu, that is 1 mu is equal to here is minus minus plus, therefore 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore we get mu is equal to 1 and put the value of mu in any one equation. Therefore there is minus 3. Go another side, therefore plus 3. 3 minus 2, that is lambda is equal to 1. We get this value. And now here these two lines are intersect each other. Then we put the value lambda and mu in equation 1. Let put the value of mu and lambda in equation 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. You see here the value is 10 into 1, 10. 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. LHS equal to RHS. Hence the given lines intersect each other. This one method is to know that these lines are intersect to each other. Otherwise, you put their values in determinant. Then 10 minus 1 9. Then second row 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 4 minus 3 in determinant. And after solving that, the determinant value is 0. Then you say that these two lines are intersect each other. This one method is used to you. And after that, we find the coordinate of their intersection. For finding the value of intersection. Now, the point of intersection are here is x is equal to minus 10 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 comma y is equal to minus 1 minus 3 comma z is equal to 1 plus 4, that is x is equal to minus 11 comma y is equal to minus 4 and z is equal to 5, that is minus 11 comma minus 4 comma 5 are the intersecting points. Otherwise, we take the value of mu in other side. Therefore, we get the points. These are the, here you take here 4 plus 1 5. Then minus 3 into 1. Then minus 3 minus 4. Therefore, minus 4. minus 3 minus 1 is 4, and here minus 1 minus 10, that is minus 11. Therefore, this is the intersecting point we get from these equations. Therefore, we complete the question number 9. After that, we take question number 10. A light passes through. A line passes through 3 minus 1 2 and is perpendicular to lines, is perpendicular to lines r bar equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap, and r bar is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap plus mu into I minus 2j plus 2k cap. Find its equation. Find its equation. Very simple question. Here is a line, required line, which passes through the point 3 minus 1 2 and perpendicular to line D bar and C bar. Why we say that D bar and C bar? Because these perpendicular lines, there are a point passing through this A bar and other is B bar, and then another line is A bar into C bar. Therefore, the required line is parallel to this line, that is B bar cross C bar. Now we see this question same in question number 4. Therefore, line passing through and their parallel line is B bar cross C bar. For that, we take here given line given required line passing through A bar is equal to 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap here, and required lines perpendicular to r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar and lambda b bar, and r bar is equal to a bar plus mu c bar. Therefore, required line is parallel to B bar cross C bar. Here we write the conclusion from this diagram. Therefore, B bar cross C bar. Now, B bar cross C bar is equal to, we put their values. Here is, we put their values is 2 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 2, 2. That is, we get here I minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2I cap. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2I cap. Then minus j. Minus j. 4 minus 1. That is minus 3j cap. And plus k. Therefore minus 4 plus 2. That is minus 2k. Minus 4 plus 2. That is minus 2k. Hence, equation of required line is, what is the equation? R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda D bar cross C bar. Because D bar cross C bar is parallel to the required line, and required line is passing through minus 3 minus 1 2. Hence we put their values, that is equal to 3 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus lambda into minus 2I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. This is the final answer of this line, and the question will be completed. Now we take the last example of this exercise, question number 11. In question number 11, show that the line x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y minus 4 upon 2 is equal to z plus 4 upon minus 2, passing through origin. For that, you know, the origin point is 0, 0, and we want to show this line passing through origin. At first, we will write the given x minus 2 equal upon 1, y is equal to y minus 4 upon 2 is equal to z plus 4 upon 2 given line. This is equation number 1. Let origin O 0, 0, 0, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Put the values in equation 1. Therefore we get 0 minus 2 upon 1 is equal to 0 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 0 plus 4 upon minus 2. That we will get minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2. We get their lambda is constant, their ratio is constant. Hence, the value of x, y, z satisfies the condition. Therefore, given line passes through origin. This is the answer. Here is x, y and line passing through origin, and this origin is 0, 0, 0, and the equation of line is this. We put the value x, y, z in this equation. then we get the ratio is same. Therefore, we say that the given line passing through these points of origin. Hence, we complete the exercise 6.1.